Hey guys, today we got a call to tear down a shed and they have some other trash around their yard. So we're just gonna get right into that video where we're tearing it all down and getting rid of all the trash for them. All right, so today we are going to tear down this shed and take everything in it out. Obviously you can see the roof is messed up, so they want us to take it all. And then they got a bunch of stuff in the yard as well. Some old mowers and basketball hoops. So we're gonna take it all away. All right, so our truck is getting full. We're gonna have to do another load. As you can see, it's getting filled up. We did get a few things that might be worth saving. If not, it's scrap metal. All right, we are back here to tear down the rest of this. If you enjoyed watching us tear down that shed, or you want to see more videos like that, or you want to tell me you want to see something, some more of something or less of something, don't be afraid to leave a comment, and also like and subscribe and hit that notification button. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.